AK sir, your English language tutor.
Hello guys, today we are going to learn names of different transportation. But before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Bicycle, bicycle. Van, van. Subway, subway. Taxi, taxi. Scooter, scooter. Rowing boat, rowing boat. Cement mixer, cement mixer. Carriage, carriage. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Helicopter, helicopter. Dump truck, dump truck. Fire brigade, fire brigade. Airplane, airplane. Police car, police car. Ambulance, ambulance. Tractor, tractor. Crane, crane. Hot air balloon, hot air balloon. Car, car. Train, train. Forklift, forklift. Boat, boat. Bus, bus.